Hello, everyone. Welcome to Rev Games Academy. In this video, we'll learn about the C-Sharp scripting basics for Unity. Scripting is the foundation for creating interactivity and defining the logic of your Unity projects. Through scripts, you can control game objects, establish their behaviors, and develop engaging gameplay systems. Today, we'll focus on an essential aspect of scripting: setting up script and MonoBehaviour. Specifically, we'll learn how to create and attach scripts directly using Unity's Add Component button, a convenient and efficient method for beginners and professionals alike. There are two common ways to create a script in Unity. First, method creating a script from the Assets panel. Right-click in the Assets, select Create, and then choose C# Script from the pop-up menu. Name your script appropriately, avoid spaces or special characters. After creating your script, you can attach it to a game object in two simple ways. First, using the Add Component button to attach the script. In Hierarchy window, click plus icon, and then click Create Empty. Empty game object is created. Click the game object. Then click Add Component in the inspector window. A search bar will appear. Type in the name of the script you want to attach to the game object. When the script shows up in the list, simply click on it and it will be attached to the selected game object. Second method for attaching a script to game object, using drag and drop to attach script. Click the created game object in Hierarchy window, drag the script file from the Assets panel, and drop it onto the inspector window. Next, second method to creating a script with the Add Component button. In Hierarchy window, click plus icon and then click Create Empty. Once your game object is created, select the game object. Click the Add Component button in the inspector window. Click New Script in the Add Component pop-up to create a new script. Name your script, click Enter or click Create, and Add button. Unity will automatically attach it to the game object. Then, double-click the Attached Script in Inspector window. Next topic, MonoBehaviour basics. In Unity, scripts that interact with the engine must inherit from the MonoBehaviour class. This class is essential because it provides the framework to define the behavior of your game objects. Let's take a look at two of the most commonly used MonoBehaviour methods. First, start method is called once before the first frame update. It's the perfect place for initialization tasks like setting initial values or preparing game objects for gameplay. Example for start method. The debugged log method is used for debugging purposes. It allows developers to display messages in the console to track the flow of the program or check the values of variables while the game is running. In this case, the message being displayed is the text "game started," which will appear in the console when the game begins. On the other hand, update method is called once per frame. It's commonly used for tasks that need to happen in real time, such as checking player input or updating game logic. Example for update method. The debug log method is called every time the update method runs. Since the update method is executed once per frame, this message will appear in the console repeatedly, once for every frame of the game. Now run the project to check how the start and update methods is working. By mastering the process of creating and attaching scripts and understanding the basics of MonoBehaviour, you've taken a critical step in Unity game development. These skills are foundational for building interactive, dynamic gameplay systems. Stay tuned for the next topic. Thank you for watching.